up, everybody? It's your boy G Waters, aka Ghostman FPV, back in with another video. And today this is going to be kind of an unboxing and to show the Pidzoom mirror. Just came in, the helmet mirror. I can open that up. It's gonna be a short one. Sorry, this is kind of a janky ghetto setup, but I'm in my garage and I was cleaning up, so it's gonna look a little bit sketch, but it's all right. You'll get the picture. So it comes in a box, pretty decent packaging. And that says universal helmet mirror. And I guess this is the updated version. I mean, they had I guess a beta version at first, and supposedly this one's a little better than that beta version that you saw some people with. I'm not an important enough YouTuber, so I have to buy my own. So this is the actual version. But in any case, it says it features foldable arm for easy storage. That's pretty cool, because I was actually using this for a while, and I mean, I actually stopped using it because I just really wasn't getting good results out of it. It was just like this is a flat mirror, and I couldn't see well, and I kept having to move it around and adjust it, and it was just in the way. I mean, I'm pretty sure, and this thing was pretty expensive. This was, I believe, about almost $40, around $40. And I just basically used it a few times, and that was it. And this one I paid $19. I paid $20 for it, but I guess I got the early, adopter, whoever, and they had a sale on it, I guess, for people pre-ordering. So I did that. I'm not sure how much it costs now. Maybe I'll put that on the screen, but not 100% sure how much they are now. But let's get it open. And I saw a couple videos already where people got theirs, so I kind of know what to expect. To the side, this is, I guess, your instruction manual. And has a QR code. I don't know if you want to get that to get to their website. And it just shows different kind of helmets that, I most likely will be using, like this version, because I have a LS2 helmet, as you can see here. And I'm thinking I'm going to stick it about here somewhere. So let's see how that goes. It's just a little foam. It's wow, this has a lot. It's a lot in here. So it looks like we have a small arm. Guess you can use, and we have like the medium size. And this thing feels really nice. Like, it's really well done. And that's the longer one. I'm not sure which one I'll need, but I guess I'll figure it out. And these are the mounts. So I guess they have the 3M tape on it already. I believe one that they can just. I thought the ball kind of slid out. Maybe yeah, it does. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So that can easily slide out. So when you want to just take it off, I had to have obviously Velcro or something on this one, and it was a mess because it didn't always stay on. And I guess they give you extra mounts, ball mounts, and this must be for different types of helmets, I guess. So, and they give you extra 3M tape, and they also give you extra for the smaller mounts. And I don't know what these are. Oh, these are like screw setups, I guess. For some helmets, you will maybe be able to screw it down, I guess. I don't think that would be my use case, but then here we have, this is what I'm hoping. This is a convex mirror, and I'm hoping that this works a lot better. So, I mean, it feels really good quality. It's not a 3D print. It's more like I guess what you call like a molded plastic or something. It's not 3D print. And it also, I guess that's a reflector. That's a pretty cool little touch with the logo there. And actually it comes with two. So that's the flat mirror. So I'll try them both and see which one I think will work. I'm thinking that the convex would be a little better for me, because the other mirror I had was flat and it's pretty large, and it was in my opinion, it's horrible. A lot of people like it, but I didn't. I'm not 100% sure what these are. I think what it does, I think it's to attach it to like a bike helmet or something that has all those openings or whatever. I'm not 100% sure about that though. But what I'm thinking is that I don't know if I could use the mid one. I don't think so. I think that'll be a bit too short for my use case, but I'm not sure. Let's try it. So, let's just stick that in there like so. Yeah, this is a pretty nice setup. It's really good quality. And I don't know how the beta versions were, but these are really good. Not sure how the beta version was set up, but okay, so I'm thinking one of these should work. Okay, so I have two, like, I guess these are the same. So I'm thinking that it could go where this one went, about there. Because the thing is, I have this S2 helmet, so I have to be careful where I put it because it closes. So, and I'm thinking, I mean, if I can get that off, that would help me a little. I don't know. I should have thought to take that off initially, but I didn't. So, like I said, this was a kind of rushed video, so I just got that in today, and I'm just kind of getting home to. I really don't want to scratch my helmet. It's already scratched because I actually, from a fall that I took, but I don't want to add to it. It's a nice helmet. I happen to like it. Okay. All right. So I'm thinking it can be there, but it looks like it's going to be slightly hanging off the side here. But I mean, honestly, I don't know where else I would really necessarily put it. So thinking if it goes there. Yeah, this thing's pretty well thought out. I just hope it works for me, because the other one did not. So I stopped using. I'll end up just using my wrist mirror, which worked out way better for me. Let's see. And I also got to be careful too, because I have this thing here that lets down my sun, I guess, visor, I guess you would call it. kind of strange how it goes, but maybe if I do it that way, maybe that's a better way. So it looks like maybe you bring it down, but that's kind of strange. I don't know. Yeah, so I have to figure out how I'm gonna mount it. I'm sure there's a way, but I don't want to spend an hour on a video trying to mount it. I think we all know what this is about. So, but anyway, this has just been a short video. This is the Pidzoom Helmet mirror, and once I get it mounted and everything, I definitely will show you guys what the setup looks like. But I think it'll be okay. I definitely have to get used to having a mirror on my helmet. So I'm so used to it being on my wrist mirror, and I've gotten pretty good using that. So if this one doesn't work out, I guess I'll just continue to use that, but we'll see. But anyway, guys, this is your boy Ghostman FPV. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have one of these and you have maybe this helmet and the way it's set up, maybe you can leave a comment down below and let me know how you mounted it, and maybe you can give me some pointers. But I'm gonna sit here and try to figure this out. So just let me know in the comments, and if you guys have a good way of mounting it if you have this helmet or a similar helmet like this modular. Because there's, like I said, there's not many places you can put it on this helmet unless you just put it here, and when your helmet's flipped up, you just don't use it. I mean, I don't. But sometimes I like to ride with it flipped up because I'm drinking something or whatever. So, and I still would like to be able to see. So, but anyway, just let me know what you guys think and any ideas you guys may have that will make it easy to mount. And so far, I don't know how easy this is to mount. So, but I'm going to get on it right now and try to figure that out. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.